Hello, my name is Darius, and this is a mobile all-in-one woodworking bench I built. It's designed by 1 Minute Workbench, and this has been a great addition to my garage. It's to consolidate all my woodworking tools in this one mobile space. I can move away easily if I need to bring something into the garage, like a boat or a car, which you'll probably see later. Let me show you some key features, and then we'll roll right into the build video. Right on the right, you see the table saw. This is about 1/8 inch higher than the outfeed table, and underneath it is an air compressor. It's a little peanut one, I'll show you in a second. And then the miter saw is in the middle, obviously you see it. It's on these 100-pound drawer slides. It's more shelving. And then back here is a 9-gallon shop vac for dust collection from the miter and table saw. The miter saw is held in place, held back with these 2 gate latches, and you undo them, it slides out. Once it's fully extended, set 2 gate latches, put them in place, bam, ready to rock. Notice the power strip here, power comes in the back of an outlet I have, and it comes to these. And you're able to select, turn on each individual tool as you want. On this end you have the air compressor. Here it's not that loud, which is nice. Sitting that's a Harbor Freight, little noisy air compressor. Shop vacs on the other end. All right, let me show you the back side. These gate latches obviously keep the miter saw in place when you move this around. It doesn't go sliding out and move the center of gravity over. But I doubt you can tip this thing. It's very heavy. Primarily made a 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch plywood entirely. Yeah, here's the back side. You see the table saw in that corner of the screen. It's more storage. Power strip I have coming out of the back is in the extension cord. And behind here, just show you some pictures earlier in a bit. There's a 9-gallon rigid shop vac that comes in through a PVC pipe T and 90 degree into the shop vac through these 2 blast valves, blast gate valves. And they're 2.5 inch blast gate valves going into 2 inch PVC going into the shop vac. If you want to use a table saw, pull the one off the T. The miter saw, you pull it. That's how I was able to get the individual selection for dust collection. This is where the table saw is going to go, an outfeed table. And underneath here, the string attached, I have a little peanut air compressor hidden down in there. And I had some sound dampening material left over from an engine swap I did in a car, I guess a couple years ago. Anyway, it works really good at muffling this little Harbor Freight air compressor. And instead of having the hose off to the side, I decided just to run out front and have this empty space here not being used because this spot is for like a pancake air compressor. Anyway, don't want to buy a new one. So I made this for my air hose and air tools for right now. I'm really happy with this thing. I'm able to have pretty much all my woodworking tools all in one place, not mixed in with my automotive and boat tools. And I'm looking forward to building more things with it. This is our cat Toots. You'll be seeing more of him. You got a summer haircut going, and not quite a shop kitty, but he definitely wants to be. Definitely serious case of FOMO. This one. But,